Do you want to convert Excel files to PDF file format with complete data integrity maintained? If yes, download the BitRecover Excel to PDF converter. It is a trustworthy solution that can convert multiple Excel files to PDF file format with no loss of information. In the Welcome window, the program offers two modes to choose data from the saved location. First, let's check the Add File option and browse the required XLS file from the saved location. Then, click on Open tab. User can also check the Add Folder option to bulk upload XLS files in a folder from the saved location and then click on OK button. Click on Convert button and choose the destination location, and after that click on OK button. The tool drops a complete conversion message after the process completion. Trial Edition will convert and add watermark in converted files. The software will open the destination location of the resultant file.